Sell on eBay, ship with Amazon. Here's how to automate it in today's video. So all you have to do is just go to eBay, and then what happens with this automation is if somebody on eBay purchases your item and you have the same exact item on Amazon FBA, Amazon FBA will get notified. They'll be able to see the eBay customer's address. They'll automatically ship it to the customer, and then they'll even put the tracking number on eBay itself. So it's as automated as it can get. As long as you have inventory at Amazon, you have the listing on eBay, you're good to go. Now, the first thing that you want to do is just go to Map My Channel. You can just Google it. This is going to be the tool that connects your eBay account to your Amazon account. Once you're here, you're just going to click Login, and it is free to use, which is awesome. Click Sign Up, and then you can just sign up. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So we're going to sign up. Username's already taken. Let's try this one. And then what you're going to do is connect your eBay account. It'll go to the next page, connect your Amazon account, and then you're just going to set it up. Now, the most important thing is that you actually have Amazon FBA inventory. You have to have FBA inventory for Amazon to ship the inventory to the eBay customers. And then the SKU needs to be exactly the same on eBay. So you're just going to copy your Amazon SKU. You're going to put it on your eBay listing. You can see it's already here. And then that's going to automatically help connect them for this tool to work. Once this tool works, it's going to look something like this. When an order comes in, then it's going to say accepted, and you can even view it directly on Amazon, and you'll see Amazon automatically puts the tracking number on eBay, and everything is automated to that point. If there is any errors, it'll say error, and then you can contact support and have a video call with them. It's pretty awesome. Next is going to be setting up the integrations. So you want to have it turned on just like mine is my recommendation, right? So that way the orders sync, the tracking syncs, the inventory from Amazon syncs. So that means if the inventory is 0 on Amazon, it's automatically going to 0 out on eBay, right? Then you can manage your mappings depending on the shipping method, expedited shipping, standard shipping, however you want it. Then you can also click edit here, look through the settings, and that way you can have Amazon ship it in a blank box. So that way the eBay customer doesn't get confused. Next is going to be pricing. So they do have paid pricing plans, but of course you can start off on a free pricing plan, which works great. And that's pretty much the step-by-step guide on how to do it. If you are still stuck, there's a link right in the description to go to our website, go to services, courses, and then I do have a full step-by-step guide on how to do this, where I pretty much walk you through everything on how to actually connect it yourself. This video should give you like a little bit of an intro on how to do it, but if you did need a step-by-step, we have a course. We also have one for TikTok if you want to do Amazon and connect it to your TikTok. A lot of different things there to help you with your Amazon journey. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay or Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, connecting your eBay to Amazon, or just selling online, contact EHP Consulting Group. Again, link right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.